Every component counts on board the vessels that operate beneath the surface of our seas and oceans, so it is crucial that additive manufacturing is changing valve technology in ways that could save precious time and lives at sea. In manufacturing technology, additive manufacturing delivers performance that traditional methods can't match. Using technologies like laser-powered bed fusion, we're developing advanced valve systems that reduce sound, control flow, and withstand the harshest submarine conditions your crews face. Even routine maintenance is faster, greener, and closer to home, cutting your lead times and reducing carbon footprint. Join us this week on Stand C61 at Navy Leaders Combined Naval Event to see how we're engineering tomorrow's Navy today.